Drone Racing League zooms into Metaverse, bringing play to earn to Algorand. The Drone Racing League, or DRL, is a professional drone racing league that operates internationally. DRL pilots race first-person view, or FPV, with identical custom-built drones at speeds above 80 miles per hour through three-dimensional courses. News publication Quartz described DRL as feeling like pod racing from Star Wars, with hopes of becoming the Formula 1, NASCAR, and MotoGP of drone racing. Founded in 2015 and launched publicly in January of 2016, DRL is broadcast on Twitter, NBC, NBC Sports, Sky Sports, ProSiebenSat 1, Fox Sports Asia, Group AB, and OSN. Former broadcast partners include ESPN and Disney XD. The league is currently in its fourth season, the 2019 DRL Alliance World Championship season, which features 7 races in locations including Alliance Riviera in Nice, France, BMW Welt in Munich, Germany, and the Adventure Dome in Las Vegas, Nevada. So in this video, we will discuss about the Drone Racing League zooms into the metaverse, bringing play to earn to Algorand. Also in the end, we will discuss about DRL technology. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The league's partnership with Playground Labs will be the first play-to-earn competition of its kind on the Algorand blockchain. Competitive drone racing is joining the play-to-earn party. Drone Racing League, or DRL, and Web3 game developer Playground Labs have tapped Algorand's blockchain to create the first play-to-earn drone game in the metaverse, announced by the league on Wednesday. The details for the game itself have yet to be determined. A representative from DRL told CoinDesk it will look to its community to determine what style of gaming they'd most enjoy. Play to earn, or GameFi, refers to an emerging subsector of the crypto world where gamers are rewarded with digital assets that carry value beyond the confines of a particular title, as is often the case in mainstream gaming. While the details are still to be worked out, the league said players will race DRL drones, presumably digital ones, for cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, on Algorand. DRL's involvement in blockchain is on par with its already hybrid and experimental slate of competition, which includes real-life races with physical drones, as well as virtual esports matches. The GameFi tie-up follows a reported 5-year, $100 million deal with Algorand that was announced last September. Drone betting. The league has also introduced sports betting to the platform in an effort to stay ahead of the times, being the first sport in the air that fans can bet on, according to a press release. We're building a roadmap of so many different things in the next several years, DRL President Rachel Jacobson told CoinDesk in an interview. We have to know blockchain because we always want to be 10 steps ahead and first to market. We're going to be Playground Labs' crown jewel. DRL has also tapped Algorand as the title sponsor for its World Championship event held at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas, which will include a performance from American rock staple Weezer, among other festivities. Playground Labs is an affiliate of Hivemind Capital Partners, which announced in November a $1.5 billion fund to invest in projects building on Algorand. DRL technology. Horvachewski claims that at its core, DRL is a technology company. DRL's expert engineers hand-built a fleet of identical racing drones, developed a proprietary radio system to enable DRL drones to race through large-scale courses through 8 feet of concrete, and created a realistic drone racing sim, the DRL Simulator. According to Horvachewski, DRL develops all of our drones in-house in order to create a level playing field for races. For Horvachewski, it was important to make sure that when you saw a pilot win a race, you knew that it was the best pilot, not necessarily the person flying a faster drone. All DRL drones are identical in spec, but are covered in hundreds of ultra-bright LEDs to help viewers easily follow the action. As described by Wired, the LED rigs also lend Tron-like aesthetics to a race. Built for speed rather than stability, DRL drones differ from commercial drones. Beginning in 2020, a variant of the latest model flown by DRL pilots will be available to the public. Since its launch, DRL pilots have flown 3 types of drones: the Racer 2 in 2016, the Racer 3 in 2017 and 2018, and the Racer 4 beginning in 2019. Racer 2. In 2016, DRL traveled with a fleet of 100 Racer 2 drones to its races. The Racer 2 had 2 or 3 minutes of battery life, topping out at 80 miles per hour. The drone weighed slightly heavier than a normal racing drone due to the LED lights covering each craft, needed for visibility and pilot identification. Racer 2 drones also had exposed electronics that made them more susceptible to damage from crashes. Racer 3. In 2017, DRL introduced the Racer 3 drone, flown by DRL pilots throughout the 2017 and 2018 DRL Alliance World Championship seasons. The Racer 3 is more powerful and agile than the Racer 2 and can accelerate from 0 to 80 miles per hour in less than a second and fly as high as 6 to 8 kilometers. The Racer 3 has 16 pounds of thrust, 7-to-1 thrust as its weight for a kilogram. Good FPV quads are 12-to-1, with a top speed of around 90 miles per hour. Unlike the Racer 2, the Racer 3 has a hard shell or canopy to protect it from crashes. DRL brought a fleet of identical 600 Racer 3 drones to every race in 2018. Racer X. In July 2017, Ryan Gurry and his team of drone engineers designed and hand-built the DRL Racer X, setting the Guinness World Record for the fastest ground speed by a battery-powered remote-controlled quadcopter. Weighing less than 2 pounds, the Racer X hit a top speed of 179.6 miles per hour. The official record-breaking speed was recorded as 163.5 miles per hour. Earlier prototypes of the Racer X burst into flames when hitting its peak acceleration due to the amount of power it used. Racer 4. In the 4th season, DRL introduced the all-new Racer 4 drone. While visually similar to the Racer 3, the Racer 4 boasts larger props at the expense of added weight to what was already a powerhouse of a quadcopter. DRL Simulator. To broaden the accessibility of drone racing, DRL created the DRL Simulator, which helps pilots fly FPV better in real life and is downloadable on Steam. The sim features a 50-mission tutorial to help teach aspiring pilots how to fly before buying a real drone. Once in-game, pilots can fly real drones on a real DRL race maps that they have seen on television. The league holds an annual live esports tournament on the DRL sim called the Swatch DRL Tryouts, which transform gamers into pro pilots overnight. The winner of the competition earns a spot as the official Swatch pilot in the Drone Racing League with a $75,000 professional contract. Recent pilot recruits from the tryouts include Jacob Jaws Scheider and Emmanuel UFO Moda. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.